Hi, Scott Dillon here at MarineMax Dallas, and we're going to take a look at the brand new Harris 250 Solstice. So Solstice was completely redesigned for 2020. New furniture throughout, new recessed cup holders throughout, storage trays on the side, USBs in all of the cutouts, which is really nice to help keep cell phones and such charged. Storage underneath all of your seats. It's your roto molded seat bases like you're used to seeing from Harris, as well as the hinge system that you're used to seeing also, that allows that seat to open up a lot further and be able to pull on it without pulling out a piano hinge, which is nice. In-floor ski locker. Also, all new Helm this year. So nice raised Helm, allows you to sit up, extra 6 inches taller. If you got a tall guy sitting in front of you, you can see up over top of them. And really nice laid out dash. Large 9-inch Simrad here in the middle, gauges on either side. JL audio system with 2 subs and 2 amps, so very good audio system. Digital throttle, of course. Nice remote cell phone charger, so if you're out in the lake and you just want to set your cell phone on it, it'll keep your cell phone charged. So really nice. Plenty of leg room. I'm 6'2", and there's tons of room up here. Flip up area for storage also can be used as a changing room. There is one of the subwoofers that's on board the boat. Wraparound L-bench seating, which has traditionally been one of the more popular seating floor plans on board the boat. But what's really nice with this new flip-flop backrest is it now has the ability to lay down flat and make a full bed. So absolutely huge sun pad on the back of this boat. But if you want to still use it as a lounge and people want to face forward, the backrest also kicks up. That way you can use it as a forward-facing lounge as well. So really versatile, going to be really popular. And I don't believe anybody else has anything even close to that. JL audio remote back here, as well as more USB ports. Nice built-in cooler on the back of the boat. So when people are swimming around the back, you want to swim up and grab a drink. You got a cooler right here on the back. New transom for 2020. It's been definitely extended. There's a lot more room back here to give you more room to get kids on and off the tubes, off and on the wakeboards. Nice telescoping ladder, and of course the Harris flip down swim seat, which is one of the most popular options on board the boat. So we're really excited that Harris redesigned this boat. The Solstices were always popular. This one is going to be incredibly popular. You'll be seeing a lot of them at the boat shows, and you'll definitely be seeing a lot of them out on the lake because it's going to be a popular boat. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions about this or any of the other boats that you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom. We look forward to talking to you soon.